Odoo is a highly customizable ERP which can easily adapt to your business workflow. Here I'm going to demonstrate the basic sales and purchase workflow. Here I am signing up with a sales user. So this is the main screen, or we can say the menu screen of Odoo ERP, and we can find the different modules over here. So let's go over the basic customer inquiry workflow via phone, email, or internet. So let's see how we can manually log the customer inquiry. So let's say if any customer inquires via phone, so we can go into the up, your opportunity pipeline and simply create out an inquiry XYZ asking for product ABC. So the inquiry is generated, and if you want to add more details, let's say if you want to add an email, so we can also add the email over here. Apart from that, we can set up next activity which we see as a next action for handling this particular lead or an inquiry. So let's say I'll make it email, and we can set a date and time. And if any customer inquires via an email, then let me demonstrate over an email. So I'll be generating an email inquiry. So here is a sample email inquiry for a particular product part. I am just sending an email on behalf of a customer using this mailbox. So I am emailing on the inquiry email. So let me send an email. So currently this Odoo instance is integrated with the info mailbox. So whatever email comes up with an inquiry is automatically synchronized to the system, and it will come up as an inquiry over here. So it is the inquiry for P180 product, and the email and the customer which sends an email is also populated over here. The customer was already enrolled onto the system, that's why the details are auto populated for this particular customer. Okay, so apart from there, as we scroll down, we can see the actual email content over here as a trail of communication, and communication can be done back and forth directly from this UI with this particular inquiring customer. So if a salesperson want to reply back or to this inquiry, then he or she just need to write over this new message. So I'm just sending it over from here, and it appears as a trail of communication right here. And if I will go to the customer's mailbox, and if I'll go to the inbox over there, uh, the reply will appear right over there. We'll send you an update in a while, or along with a proper formatted structure. So now I'm just replying right from over here. So this reply back will be available to the salesperson over here uh, in a while. As the system gets an email from the customer, it will get automatically synchronized over here into this particular view. Yeah, here it is. Thanks for an update, waiting for code. So this was basically the customer and a salesperson communication workflow. And as per our requirement, uh, as a customer inquires for particular product, let's say it is P180, we can go over to the purchase module and generate a request for quotation for that particular product to the already enrolled vendors. So let me go over, and we can create a request for quote, and I'll select vendor 1. We can add an item P180. So, and we can save this request for quote and send it via email to the vendor 1. So it will send this attached PDF document as a request for quote to vendor 1. Let me send it over. And as it was with the opportunity or the inquiry view, this request for the vendor quotation also has a similar communication trail view, which by which we can communicate back and forth with vendors regarding the vendor quotations and request for the price updates from the vendors. So I'm just replying over with my another computer on behalf of a vendor. So once I'll send or an update for this requested quotation P00004, and it will automatically get populated into this mail or into this communication trail. Okay, let me send a reply from a vendor on behalf of vendor. Here is, and in a short period we will get an update over here to the salesperson, right, with which I am currently logged in onto the Odoo. Yeah, I got a reply from vendor 1, and he replies, thanks for the inquiry, product inquired, and quoted price is 45 USD. So similarly, the salesperson can update the particular price over there. It's the quoted price is 45, and saves over the replied quote price. And if the person if a salesperson feels okay with this price, then it can uh, get back to the sales workflow, and we can set over yeah, we can create a customer quote right from the inquiry view. So let me create a customer quote. based on the price what I get from the vendor. So the price which I got, it's 45, or let's say we can say with my uh, profit margin I can quote it 47 to the customer. And on saving, the system generates an quote for the customer, and we can send it over email to the customer right from here. So let me send a quote to the Corey Thompson, that is the actual inquiring customer. So it will directly go as a attached quotation to the inbox of a customer. Yeah, here it is. So it just to mention over here, each quotations, each comes up with a unique identifier, or we can say unique number, that is SO007 is a unique quote identifier. So here, let me open the attachment of the quotation. So it comes with the unit price and other required details. Okay, now let me confirm my order by replying over this email. So as a customer, I am replying over here and confirming order for the 15 units. And let me go back to the sales view, or the ERP view. So here I'll get a reply, I'm fine with the code from the customer Corey Thompson, and confirm the order of 15 units. So right from here the salesperson can confirm the sale order, or uh, along with that the salesperson can also order the similar quantity to the supplier or the vendor. Let me see for the 15 quantity, and let me confirm this order. Okay, here I have confirmed the order. I think the price was 47. Yep, here it is. So let me go back to the purchase module. Here is our last quote. Let me order 15 quantity from here, and I am saving this particular quote request, and I'm confirming the order from here, and I'll send the purchase order to the vendor again. So the beauty, one more beauty about the overall workflow is this status changes. So as and when we go on confirming the status from a draft, it changes to RFQ send when I send an email to the vendor. And once I confirmed the purchase order, the state changes to purchase order, and once the order has been received, it will convert to done. So I can set it to done once the order has been received. And I can also change the similar states for the customer pipeline. Here it is. So here also we are having a new qualified proposition more, and if we go on to the quotes, where we have confirmed the particular quotation into an order. We have a sale order state, and it will turn into done once we will ship it to the customer. So that's all as a part of basic sales and purchase workflow. And apart from that, we can the overall system is highly customizable in terms of the, the PDF templates or the view templates. And we can also set RFQ workflow for the multiple vendors as per the requirement of our system as a future scope. So thanks for the viewing.